Hello everyone, I'm TheDarkNinja03 and welcome to the Dark Dojo. So today we're not doing gaming, we're doing a different type of video. So this is called 10 Tips on How to Survive Quarantine. I've been homeschooled for the past 13 years. My mom owns her own home-based web development business and homeschools my younger brother and sister. My dad is a software engineer who also works remotely from home. Here are a few tips we have put together on how to survive being quarantined, since we have a lot of experience spending time together without killing anyone. Tip number 1. Have a schedule. There are a lot of things in life that you can't control. But what time you get up and what time you go to bed is something you can control. A routine can also help reduce stress during this stressful time. Tip number 2. Find your productive time. It took our family several rough years of homeschooling to figure out what time actually works for us. Don't try to match the schedule of public school. Find out what time of day each member of your family is most productive, and try to do any schoolwork during that time. Don't try to do school for 8 hours straight, or everyone will be frustrated and angry. Tip number 3. Make a checklist. Each of us has a school planner that tells us exactly what we are expected to finish every day. Ours are made during the summer and set up for our entire school year. Obviously, the majority of families won't have this in place, but you can still make a simple checklist to work through. Tip number 4. Get a decent set of headphones. Take time to be alone even when you are together. Being with family all day can be super stressful. Each member should have some time to just be alone, and headphones can help you feel alone even when you don't have somewhere where you can go to be isolated. Tip number 5. Limit screen time. Letting kids play video games as long as they want has always caused behavioral problems in our household, mostly regarding my brother. Limiting time helps us make the most of gaming and forces us to decide when we want to use our time. This helps teach prioritization. Tip number 6. Take time to practice a hobby. Everyone has something they want to do but never have time for. Set some time aside to do it. Around here, hobbies include yo-yo, guitar, Legos, climbing trees, obstacle course, and catching up on our favorite TV shows as a family. Tip number 7. Cook ahead. This means double batches and easy freeze items. Making meals is time consuming. Save time by making 2 of whatever meal you are preparing. Put 1 in the refrigerator or freezer to eat later. Spend an evening baking pancakes, waffles, muffins, etc., which can be easy snacks or breakfasts later. If your children are old enough, have them cook a meal on their own. Breakfast around here is always self-serve. It consists of cereal, oatmeal, shakes, grilled cheese sandwiches, cheese and crackers, fruit, quesadillas, pancakes, waffles, muffins. You get the idea. Tip number 8. Stay hydrated. Kids eat a lot. Make sure that everyone is drinking plenty of water. This will keep hunger in check and prevent constant snacking. We like to supplement our water intake with herbal tea, naturally flavored sugar-free sparkling waters, and the occasional hot chocolate. Tip number 9. Turn on music. Arguing and fighting can happen fast and often. Letting the radio or music play in the background can help increase focus and reduce the amount of negative interactions. We keep our Google Mini going for most of the day. Tip number 10. Don't do it all yourself. Have everyone help out with household chores like laundry, dishes, sweeping, etc. However, don't feel like everything needs to get done every single day. Well, that wraps up our tips on how to survive while being quarantined. Thanks for watching this video. Like, share, subscribe, comment below, and we'll see you next time. Bye!